What?
Alright guys, we've been searching all night, all morning, and I think I just finally found my pit bike. CRF 110, $500, Murrieta, 2020, runs clean. Cameron, I think we just found it. Really? I think we found my pit bike. Look at the photos. This dude must be using an Android or something. I don't know what kind of photos these are, but I had pink grips, and it is a 2020. Not many 2020s are out there. Why is that picture upside down? I don't know. That's what I'm saying. I have no idea. 2020, runs clean, just bought it. Need money for rent. Waiting for pink in mail. Call me. He doesn't have the pink slip. All right, guys, I'm going to blur the numbers so you guys can't see it. Hello?
Hello?
Alright, do you have the 2020 CRF 110 in?
Yeah.
You still got it? You're selling it for 500?
Yeah, man. Come take a look.
Can I come? I see you just posted this 18 minutes ago. Can I come take a look at it today? Is that possible?
Yeah, man. You're the first person that's wanted to check it out.
Okay. I have a quick question though. Do you have the pink slip?
No, man. It's got pink grips, but it doesn't have. I don't have the pink slip.
All right. Okay, yeah. Oh yeah, I'd love to come take a look at it though. So if you want to just text me an address and I'll meet you over there whenever you're available. All right. Thank you.
All right. Have a good day.
All right. Pink grips, but no pink slip. That's my bike, dude. This is my bike. All my paperwork in here so I could run the VIN and stuff when I get there. But I'm almost positive this is my bike. And look at the phone it's used. Dude's definitely a crackhead, whoever posted this. Alright, quick little update here. We are currently driving to the location he just sent me. So yeah, we got about a quarter mile. I'm gonna have Cameron park a little farther away and I'm gonna ride a scooter down there. Just in case I need to call back up, you know, so he doesnn't get too spooked. So it's only gonna be one of us.
I want you to take this.
Take what?
Just in case anything happens.
Dude, is this a...
Dude, stop.
Dude, what am I supposed to do with the gun?
Dude, just
what the heck am I supposed to do with the gun?
Dude, he stole your pit bike, dude.
You're right. Oh, dude.
Don't stop dropping it.
Dude.
You're gonna let it go off, dude.
Alright, we'll put it in the back. Keep going straight, Pull up on top of that hill. Alright, I'm gonna call you if I need anything, alright? Ride a scooter up there just so it's only one person, so it's a little less sus. Dude, what is he? Is that him? Whoa! Oh shoot! Those are big dogs. Just chill. I think that's him. How's it going? Yeah. I don't have any means of transportation, so I just thought I'd take a scooter. How's it going? I'm Zay.
Nice to meet you.
So this is it, huh?
Yeah.
2020? Where'd you get it?
I actually picked it up for pretty cheap.
Yeah, how much would you say?
I get it for?
Yeah, how much did you get this for out the door?
I'm gonna keep that one disclosed.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Alright.
I mean, you can get it for 500 right now, man.
500 cash?
Yeah.
You got the pink?
No, I mean, I told you over the phone, I don't have the pink slip, but I mean, it's got pink grips.
Okay, yeah. That's almost just as good, actually. So, that's cool that you have that.
Yeah, Those pretty nice grips.
Look at the VIN real quick just to make sure it's not stolen or anything, you know?
Oh, no, man. Never.
Right.
Never.
Oh,
Yo, dude.
hey, no, my bad. I didn't mean to do that, bro.
What's that?
Huh?
What's that?
Oh, no, I'm just checking to make sure it's not stolen. So it's not too, you know. LALJE0219L370016. This is my bike. Oh shoot, this is my bike. Yeah, so you said you didn't tell me where you got it from.
Nah, man.
So when'd you get it? Did you get it yesterday or
No, I've had it for a little while.
the 19th perhaps? You think? You might have gotten that day?
No.
No? Yeah, this is a little... See, I had a bike just like this.
Really?
Yeah, and it went missing from my garage the other day. And the kid had the same exact shoes as you on. Give me my bike, dude. Give me my bike, dude. Get off the bike. I don't want to do it. This is my bike. You stole it.
Who's that over there in the truck, dude?
I need to call.
Is that the cop?
Call Einstein.
Calling Einstein.
Hey, don't move. Don't move. Don't move. Don't move.
What's going on?
Hey, this is my bike. I just ran the VIN. I just saw it's the same exact VIN. Come down here. Come down here. Hurry up. He's trying to get away. He's trying to get away. Hurry up. Hurry up. Easy. Easy. Hey. Yo. Oh, wait. Hey, yo. Yo. Hey. Get him. Get out of here, you thief. I gotta get the bike. Oh my. I'll grab the scooter later. Get out of here. Oh my gosh, that was scary. I've never held a gun like that before. Oh, I need to ride home. Oh, that was sketchy. Woo! Woo! She's back, baby! She's back!
Give me my bike.